Hi William, this is Brittany. I promise to provide you a short video on some tips and tricks that you can do with your website and also to optimize your online presence. You're probably asking why I'm sending these out. Whilst I realize small business owners are so busy running their business and taking care of their customers, they don't have the time to learn how to get more customers, and the only thing stopping them is knowing who is an expert and who is not. Some people will take this information and do it themselves, and some people will contact me. Either way is fine, so just to educate you and help you out with an attack plan. So I'm going to be going over 3 things today: content, backlinks, and citations. So first I'm going to go over the content on your home page. Right now I'm looking for the number of words that you have. There's not a whole lot of content here. I would guess there's around 50 words or so on your home page. You do want to definitely have around 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page, depending on your competition and number of keywords needed, since content is king to Google and it gives you more authority. With that being said, this is a free business site from Google, so it's not the best to rank for. So you definitely want to get on a better platform as well, such as WordPress or Snaps or something that will help you rank with that too. So let's go over what a keyword is. So a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. And in your content, you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. So for example, I'm a consumer and I'm looking for a flooring contractor in Suwanee, Georgia. This is the great buyer intent keyword because it's service specific and location specific. The first thing that pops up on our Google search result is something called Google Guaranteed Local Ads. And these are really great for high conversions. They have a conversion rate of around 40 to 60%. And below that, we have something called the Google Map Pack, where 30% of consumers will choose one of these businesses to do their service. Here's the organic search results on the first page of Google, where 60 to 70% of people will choose one of these top businesses to perform their service. And not shown on the top, but at the bottom, are Google Ads, where 5 to 10% of people will choose one of these businesses for their services as well. And these are just a good, quick way to get some customers in the door. So looking at the organic search results, I chose to look at Atlanta Flooring Design, which is one of the top competitors in your area. And I was looking at their homepage, and right now I'm just looking at their content as well. They don't have the recommended amount of content, but they do have a little bit more. They have around 300 or so words on their homepage. But they are doing some great things I wanted to show you that you can also do with your website on a better platform, which will help you guys rank on the first page of Google. So this is a page program called Ahrefs that I like to use to compare websites. And on this page, I'm going to go over these 2 ratings here. So we have a DR rating and a UR rating. And a DR rating is essentially a power rating Google gives to your website. And the UR rating is a trust rating. And both of these are raised by something called a backlink. So a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another. These links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others pointing to you or vouching for you. So it's essentially like a popularity contest. So they have 535 referring domains, pointing to around 5,300 backlinks. Now that is a ton of backlinks, however it is worth noting that not all links are created equal, so the best ones to have are those that are quality backlinks, relevant to your industry and the services that you offer, and that are from local websites. Alright, so we've got our content and backlinks. Last thing I want to go over are citations. So a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google Business profile. And citations help you rank in the map pack that I showed you here on our search results, which is extremely important for local businesses since these generate huge amounts of revenue. Citations include directories like Yelp, Angie Expertise, some of these that we actually found here at the top of our search result there. And this is really important since the idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. So the larger your online presence is, the more Google will trust you. And once Google sees you more often than your competitors, the more likely it is that you rank above them. So we went through content, backlinks, and citations. And I also wanted to show you a couple of keywords that Atlanta Flooring Design is ranking for. So as you see here, they're looking for a couple of good keywords like Atlanta flooring and flooring Atlanta, which has a ton of volume per month, around 2,000 searches per month. They also are ranking for Atlanta flooring contractor, which has 80 searches per month. Atlanta flooring Roswell, 60 searches per month. Atlanta flooring source, 80 searches per month. Flooring companies, Atlanta, 100 searches per month. So those are just a couple of examples of the number of people looking for these services. There's tons of volume for flooring around Atlanta, the cities around Atlanta. So you are missing out on some of the traffic that they're able to get from that. So if you do those three things, work on your content with getting a lot of those buyer intent keywords in there, having your website on a better, more powerful platform, getting those backlinks in that are good quality and also good quantity, and also getting a lot of citations as well throughout the internet. All of those things will help you guys get a higher trust and authority rating with Google, which will help you guys rank as well. So I just wanted to show this to you to provide you some valuable educational content on how to strengthen your online presence. Thank you so much for allowing me to serve you. I hope this was helpful. I'd appreciate some feedback, and it'd be a great day, William.